Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add and customize the section from the Smind Sections app. First, from your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Apps in the left-hand sidebar and select Smind Sections. Hit that Library tab at the top and you'll see a huge variety of section types like slideshows, scrolling media, and featured collections. Then scroll through the library to find the section you want. And for this video, I will install this slideshow section. Click on that Install button and click Customize. This automatically redirects you to the Shopify theme editor with the new section added to your current theme. Now, in the sidebar, click Add Section to add the newly added Slideshow 6-2 section. Click directly on the section name to open the Global Settings panel on the right side of the screen. First, select the Display On options to make sure this section is displayed on both desktop and mobile view. Start by adjusting the layout and choose Full Width No Potting to make the banner stretch across the screen. Use the Slide Height desktop setting to set how tall the slideshow appears on computers, and I'm going to set it to Fit Screen. Scroll down to the Slider Behavior options. Adjust the transition duration to 1000 milliseconds for a smooth effect. Now for alignment. In the Content Settings area, use the Content Max Width slider to control how wide the text block can grow, and we set this to 860 pixels. Set the desktop and mobile content position to middle center to place your text exactly where you want it. You can also adjust the content padding to give your text some breathing room from the edges. Scroll down to the navigation section. Here you can choose the style for the arrow, something like circle style or square style. Next, pick the line style or dot style for pagination and adjust the alignment, or you can also customize the highlighted style colors right here. Let's add the visuals. Look back at the left sidebar under Slideshow 6-2 and click on one of the media slide blocks. Here, you can choose to display an image or video. Under Image, click Select Image and choose a product photo, and we are selecting the image of a chili oil jar. Next, change the subheading text to something catchy like Product of the Month. Then, we're going to change the heading below it to Crispy Chili Oil and set the heading tag to H2 for proper hierarchy, and set the heading size to large and remove the description text below it. Scroll down to the Buttons section. Change the first button label to an action-oriented word like Buy It Now, and you can paste the URL for the product page in the link field so customers go straight there. Now, let's add a promotional badge. Set the badge label to something exciting like Super Crunchy and remove all text from the sub-label. After that, choose an image shape like a star or burst to make it pop. Next, you need to set the padding for this badge to 33 pixels. And now I'm going to change the background color for this badge to green color, and for the text color, we're going to set it to black. Let's look at spin type. None means it stays static. On scroll means it spins when the user scrolls. Auto means it spins continuously. You can also adjust the spin speed and the rotate angle for different devices. Next, you need to set the badge position to top right so it doesn't cover your main text. And enable the Spin on Scroll option to add a dynamic rotating effect as the user browses the page. For final touches, colors. Go back to the sidebar and click on the color block inside the section. Here, you can pick colors for the headings and buttons. Change the background to white smoke. Change the heading and subheading to a bright, vibrant red. Change the button label to black and the solid hover background to that same vibrant red. Before we finish, click the mobile icon at the top right to switch views. Check that your text, image, and badge look good on the small screen. If everything looks perfect, click the Save button in the top right to publish your changes. Thanks for watching.